Namaskaram everyone. Before we go into this video, just wanted to say this Hatha Yoga retreat happening in Assam from August 13th to 17th, for which I'll also be volunteering and shooting some videos, and the registrations are still open. So I'll put the details in the screen, and if you can come, it'll be awesome. There is Surya Kriya, Yogasanas, and awesome food and trekking. So I hope to see you guys there. If the registrations are still open, you can contact on the number on the screen or in the description. Bye. Just talking about biryani, which is the best biryani place? Hey, talk. You're talking right now.
बिरयानी by blues. बिरयानी by blues.
Actually, biryani by blues की veg biryani भी अच्छी है.
Namaskaram everyone, and welcome to my daily V. Namaskaram everyone. It's almost 5:15 a.m. I took a shower, cold water shower. The hotel doesn't have hot water. I tried both times, it doesn't have. Oh. Anyway, it was a blessing in disguise, I think, because I was forced to take a shower in cold water. But the view. Okay, the view is not as nice. I would say nowhere in comparison with both the Shimla views I had. But it's okay. This is Delhi. So now I do my practice. I'll have to move this. Yeah. Damn it, it's very heavy. Okay, I'll switch on the video and shoot it. The thing about this hotel is last night I slept with this bulb on because I can't find the switch. So when even this bulb, I made sure I turned it with my hand and switched it off. So when Nitin Anna comes, I'll ask him whether he can find the switch. This is a crazy hotel. Okay guys, I figured it out, not I. I called the room boy, so he said it's on the side. Damn it. Yesterday night I slept with this light on, for God's sake. Now Nitin Anna will find the switch. Come on everybody. Otherwise people will say I'm the only one who is not able to find the switch.
It must be somewhere here only.
Somewhere here. Come on. Yeah, try though. You are free to try everything in this room.
That switch is going to be there only. Why should I go to the bathroom? Did you check it there?
Yeah, I checked.
Was it there already there? Or did it come later for me?
No, it was there only. Yeah. Fun times, guys. Fun. No, oh my god. I also put my hand inside. Somehow we miss it. Check the right side of that.
Oh, I found it or not?
We found it.
It's easy.
But അത് മിസ്സാവില്ലേ നമ്മൾ ഭയങ്കരമായിട്ട്. It's like Hey guys, our car has come, our blue car. We expected Devi car, but we didn't get. In the website it was showing red car, but I think we got a blue one. Okay, Nitin Anna, we have to cross the road.
Right.
Please don't die.
No, I'll see you dying.
പുള്ളിനൊന്ന് വിളിച്ച്.
What happened, Anna?
No one is there in the car. ഇതന്നെ വണ്ടി തന്നെ.
നിങ്ങളെന്നല്ല പറഞ്ഞില്ലായിരുന്നു ഇതുപോലെ ഇട്ടിട്ടങ്ങ് പോകുന്നു.
അതായിരിക്കും, അങ്ങനെ ആയിരിക്കും.
നമുക്ക് ഫുള്ള് വീഡിയോ എടുത്തോ. വീഡിയോ ഉണ്ടല്ലോ.
Okay, भैया.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Guys, first to the meetup.
Have you checked everything?
I've checked everything. I don't think anyone has checked this car like us.
Right.
We had took a video, spare tire, everything. It's like these guys are malus. Okay, let's go.
Where?
To our hotel and have breakfast.
Yes, let's go.
Nice car. Let's see how it drives.
My driver for the next 5 days.
Okay, everyone, our chole bhatura has become. We can't give a review because it is anyway cold now. Come on. Okay, everyone, we are leaving. Bag on here. Okay. I don't know that. Okay, everyone, we are leaving for Delhi Heart for the meetup, and we should be there within 20-25 minutes, I guess, right?
Right.
Okay. We are gonna see the Indian roads. Yes. 2 thug life boys.
ഇവിടത്തെ എനിക്കൊന്നും അറിയാം. പക്ഷെ ഇതെല്ലാം ഇതിൽ വരും, അതാണ് പ്രശ്നം.
Guys, we don't know anything about this place.
Yeah, I have also come here, but everything seems to be closed
Empty.
right now.
Good.
Yeah.
This is good place for meditation.
We're just hoping that some joints are open. Eateries. Otherwise, ആർക്കും ഒന്നും കഴിക്കാൻ പറ്റൂല. ഹേ. Oh, there's some place to sit and eat and all.
Okay, everyone, so we have a lot of dream catches here. Susmita ka, shall I steal some for you? Idu kolla alle. Big one. Guys, this is what we call post in Kerala, not this literal post. When people don't show up and we get stuck, we call avan namakku post tannada. So all the volunteers has given us post. Big post, bada wala post, Delhi Heart wala post.
And I'll be taking videos.
No, I understand.
We make content and like.
Yes.
It's a video.
मुझे लगा मैं लेट हूँ.
We were also late by 10 minutes. I was also late.
I'm late by.
This is Dilbag and
Namaskaram.
this is Adiyogan.
Oh, great.
I'm Ishan.
Are you from Gurgaon?
Yes.
Did I have a go to you?
On call?
Yes.
Yeah.
Hi.
I booked train tickets, na, so very cheap.
Good enough. Mine is like, I was already crying 9,000 rupees.
9,000 rupees.
What is nonsense, and now they're cancelling it.
Give your page
Are
shout out. Give your page shout out.
Yes, devoted to
Arthur
tennis.
Dana.
Namaskaram.
Tell your page. Tell your page.
Devoted to life.
What is that page about, Anna?
It is about life. I just started.
Anna, your page.
Satyog.hatayog.
Sadyog.hatayog.
If you want to learn Hatha Yoga, check out Dilbag Anna's page. Gurgaon. What about Akka? What is your page, Akka?
Nomadic Noor.
Nomadic Noor. Show your face also.
Nomadic Noor.
I don't have it.
Don't have a page.
Oh my, create a page right now.
So I told her, तेरी class कितने बजे तक है? She said 11:30. I get कोई बात नहीं. Now I am going to meet वैसी होने की थी what? And I am going to Tungnath.
No, Anna, that trip got cancelled because of floods.
Okay. So my mom said, oh, he's going to Tungnath. Take 100 rupees from me, give him. And Adashi Vanda will go and put it on the Shivlingam.
Oh my god.
Did you get it?
Yes, I'm not going to
What
do
will
it.
do with it?
Oh my god.
But you're not going.
What will she do for Kedarnath?
Ah, I don't know.
Or Dheeraj, what will she do for Kailash?
He sat for, while climbing up, he sat for a break and put his bag down and he forgot to take it. And he went up and he was saying, I left it on. I said, okay, we will see on 4th hill. It might be there, but it was not there. And he was so talkative.
Deepshika slow-mo. Yes.
And now pole.
Yes.
I'll take a metal.
Yeah.
Hello.
Where is the sari? You said you would wear sari in this hot weather. Ah.
Nehru Planetarium is something else. Nehru Park को अलग है ना?
You are taking everything away. अरे वो नहीं था जो कौन सी रोड से एम्बेसी से दोनों साइड वहाँ पे तीन मूर्ति
श्रीमती बोल रही है.
वहाँ पे एक और म्यूजियम गांधी.
Guys, now I want other meditators talking about biryani. Which is the best biryani place? Hey, talk. You're talking right now.
बिरयानी पे ब्लूज.
बिरयानी में ब्लूज.
Actually, बिरयानी बाय ब्लूज की वेज बिरयानी भी अच्छी है.
Cut.
You mean pulao?
You will fried rice. What? Exactly my point.
Exactly.
In biryani there is meat and in pulao there is no meat.
No, even in biryani is a way of preparing biryani. It can be a veg biryani, not the pulao, but a veg biryani.
Right. When only vegetables is there and no chicken and mutton. Veg biryani.
It's a fried rice.
What is the price?
The real question is
Chinese.
why so much racism, yaar? Why so much
You guys
discrimination?
are doing racism, chicken biryani and veg biryani.
Oh my god. What a content.
I had recently kathal biryani and it was so good.
Yes, it tastes like mutton biryani.
Amazing.
Have you tasted mutton?
Yes.
Same as
I
kadel.
used to have mutton.
But कटहल में तो पता चल जाता है.
Super expose going on here today. Expose.
Long time back.
एक selfie लेते हैं. आ जाओ.
Cover कर रहे हैं ना? People are covering like this, no? I don't know.
You hold it with the mouth then.
I don't know how people are covering it.
That shadow has made a new way of like stitching it.
I
So I think many people might have done it like that.
Even Sadhguru was,
Sadhguru had that.
he had also this thing, na?
Oh, it's nice.
Yeah, he had something like that. The Adi Yogi.
He doesn't need mask. His beard is enough.
He doesn't need mask at all otherwise, so it's enough.
Yeah. Come on, say.
Yeah, I'm come here to meet you.
Yeah. Vaishu is there. You saw Vaishu's post, na? What's your name, Anna?
Harsh.
Harsh. Okay. Vaishu, Anna?
So I was yesterday.
Late.
300 for everyone.
11:30.
300.
This is Deepshika.
Ishan. That is everything.
Volunteer registration.
Now, like you can apply, I think. They are taking people who are doing minimum of 3 months, I think. 3 months or 1 month?
Can I join Sadhana Pada right now?
साधना पदा
No, I want to join for.
नाउ नेक्स्ट ईयर है ना बिकॉज जिन्होंने इस बार किया उनको तो जा नहीं पा रहे हैं फंसे हुए
वही अब 2022 का ही फॉर्म आ रहा सीधा.
हाँ अभी फील करो तो इट इज बेस्ट यू फील इट राइट नाउ
कि फिर मैं वैसे कंटिन्यू करूँगा ना वहाँ पे वॉलेंटियर करके.
ये भी ठीक है आपका बढ़िया प्लान है 7 मंथ साधना पदा 7 मंथ साधना पदा प्रिपरेशन ऑसम
और क्या कहते जो भी प्रोग्राम हो तो साथ में ही कर सकते हैं ना जो भी वहाँ पे
या
रहेंगे.
नो प्रॉब्लम बट यू हैव टू बी इन साधना पदा प्रोग्राम फर्स्ट टू डू इट साथ में टू डू इट फॉर लाइक हाटी होगा इज ऑफर्ड फ्री देयर है ना व्हेन यू आर इन साधना पदा या
So they teach all of the Hatha Yoga practice. That's how it is to 10-15 days.
he is also going for sadhana pada but next year she took her iPhone back shall we drink oh my god
Like this is
Shall we drink?
this year.
Drink.
yes no opportunity I was sweating
Nitin and behind the show. I like.
Dana remember someone. Who do you remember?
Charsi bhaiya
Charsi bhaiya.
we are missing you
Yes, Charsi bhaiya. See, let's see Charsi bhaiya. With
अलग
his
नशा है इसका
fake iPad, he has bought one.
फेक आईपैड
हाँ, fake iPad.
oh he's मतलब सबको पागल बना रहे हैं
एक और ग्लास मंगा दो ना.
Are you serious?
सब लोग फोन निकाल मैं निकालूं क्या मीम्स
निकाल
सबके
मीमर को देख लो इधर देखो इसके सामने मत पड़ना सब बर्बाद हो जाएगा.
and see no bad
This guy is talking about going from 7 meals to 2 meals. But सब झूठ है.
system aligned
How did you break your Ekadashi fast? Everyone thinks I am the only one who breaks Ekadashi. बोलो
बिरयानी
चाय
कभी
कभी Finally I got company.
एंड मतलब पूरे लास्ट के लॉकडाउन से एंड अभी के लॉकडाउन मैंने एक ही बार चिकन बिरयानी खाई है टू बी ऑनेस्ट एक ही बार मैंने नॉन वेज और ये खाया है
On Ekadashi.
कौन एक आदमी?
कौन है?
Say that.
मैंने एकादशी
Look at the girls looking at him.
the audacity of him
Very common in Delhi. The Bombay markets, no?
Capital letter.
करीना का फोन.
No, we'll get the.
सदगुरु.
हाँ. എന്തൊരു പിടിയാടോ നിങ്ങൾ ക്യാമറ കിട്ടോ
Only Hindi है ना.
Right? Sadhguru in Hindi.
हिंदी है मुश्किल हो जाएगा.
बहुत
वो भी नहीं लिख पाएगा, don't worry.
कौन सा था है
के नीचे हलंत आएगा रिस्क नहीं लेने का ये वीडियो में डालना है कोई
गलत लिखा है. चले we'll come later. We'll take some time. है ना?
Stand in the shade. I am my dear rock.
Of course.
He wrote actually. I can't even see.
again after the glasses on
കാണാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ എന്റെ മൊബൈൽ take video everyone shoot
Actually.
and you all will give me 10 rupees yes so I get it free
It's done.
अरे हो गए
अरे बाप रे. ये तो मेरा
अरे
focus
सही है.
भी नहीं आ रहा.
किसी के पास आईफोन है तो जूम कर
मेरा
लो
iPhone
हो
है
गया.
एक सेकंड
Unbelievable.
दिखा दो कितना നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കിട്ടില്ല മാർ നിങ്ങൾ ചുമ്മാ മാർഗേ ഇതിനെണ്ണ ഇറങ്ങി പോടോ
इसीलिए वो पानी में डाल रहे हैं
ഇതിൽ ക്ലിയർ ആയിട്ട് കിട്ടി
हाँ. Done. क्या करनी है यार? आज ही है.
ह्यूमिडिटी बहुत ज़्यादा हवा चल जाएगा बस मजा आ
Who wants to inaugurate my ski? किसी को inaugurate चाहिए बहुत बंदा आ गया
ये हॉटनेस दूर रहे झूठ तो भाई गर्मी लग जाएगा
हम ऑलरेडी बहुत ही हम मीमर को देते हैं मीमर
इसकी गाड़ी है.
मीमर
इसकी
डालेगा
चाबी है.
ईशा मीमर इन द हाउस
inaugurating
inaugurating सदगुरु कीची
ये चाबी किसकी है
for the Rendeca
राइस ग्रेन कीचे.
Whose car?
zoom car
हाँ.
अक्का अन्ना वापस निकाल लेना फिर डा 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 डा
हाँ. वापस निकाल लेना.
Show it on camera ना. उल्टा
अरे
अच्छा
कण में सद्गुरु
Tigers, please.
नहीं जाना रे ऐसा मेरा प्यार है, प्यार तुझे किया है बचपन का प्यार, मेरा भूल नहीं जाना रे जाने मेरी जाने
डॉक्टर इज देयर व्हाट इज दैट नेम पवित्रा डॉक्टर
I only put it now.
Pavitra ka? Now you have to give a speech. My daily day has been hijacked by this स्त्री है, कुछ भी कर सकती है. She has taken it literally. Behind the scenes, BTS. Ta-da!
Nice Kannada.
I'm the leader. Show unity.
मतलब पोस्ट में तो बहुत सारा खाना होता है, अकेले वैसे बनना होता है.
Sadhguru and Vinod Anna का channel.
मतलब पहली बार इतने सारे अंडा आपका से मिला
No, Vinod Anna is that
आज बहुत ज़्यादा हुआ है. मुझे नहीं बनना चाहता.
ये मतलब ऑनलाइन
string reveal करना.
अच्छा अरे हाँ वो
उनका है
किसी ने
सब।
हॉस्टल डेज देखी है? हॉस्टल डेज देखी सीरीज? चलो
पहले देखा है एक दो एपिसोड.
आपने देखा है?
एक
उसमें
दो
जो-
एपिसोड.
जो जे से नाम होता है जिस बंदे का काला सा होता है.
हाँ मैंने अभी कल परसों ही देखा था.
क्यों वो विनोद अन्ना जैसे दिखता है?
हाँ जो
विनोद
स्प्रिंग्स
अन्ना
रिव्यूज
हल्का सा दर्शन जैसे दिखता है.
शायद
धनुष जैसा दिखता है विनोद.
सॉरी धनुष, मैंने गलती से दर्शन सुना. धनुष.
मैं हाँ भी कह रहा हूँ मैंने देखा.
पकड़ा गया.
धनुष दर्शन कोई भी ले लो है ना.
स्लो में सब चलेगा.
आई डोंट वांट टू ब्रेक हर वाइब ना. अब तक कोई बात नहीं. बिल्कुल वैसे ही लगता है.
बात नहीं करना. इसमें तो वैशाख ना इतना जेन्युइन है. ये देखो कितना फेक रिएक्शंस दे रहे हैं.
अरे यार क्योंकि वन शुड नॉट फील बैड ना कि
I won't
अरे
feel
यार.
bad. I would feel bad. You didn't feel ना.
He is feeling bad now.
तो अभी पता चला ना तो अंकुर टूट गया ना.
Oh my god.
Everybody can eat.
Don't pressure.
I can't.
Don't have simply.
अका एक बार में
Like this.
मैं इधर से करता हूँ. चक्र
एंड भी करना पड़ेगा.
अरे तीखी नहीं होती अक्का खा लो कोई बात नहीं.
किया तो end
अक्का डिप इन चटनी.
Every bite you have to chew 24 times.
डिप इन चटनी. फेक रिएक्शंस.
50 रुपए काटो.
The sound, the music was.
Okay, don't do it.
कह रहे 50 रुपए काट एक्टिंग का.
This is a paid actor. ये फेस में cheat है.
This one is not spicy.
What a shot.
Are you sure? Getting home.
That is overacting.
अभी इधर आधा घंटा बैठा के रखेंगे.
We want to see the reaction.
Oh,
She is eating something.
amazing man. खाना भी खाया मिर्ची खा ली.
मेरे को आज बताता हूँ ये कैसे. तो अगर मैं उनके साथ गाड़ी में बैठ के जा रहा हूँ एंड 30 मिनट्स का ड्राइव है एंड यू नो दिल्ली के ड्राइवर्स कैसे होते हैं बिल्कुल एक नंबर है गाली खाने वाले. बढ़िया मस्त मेरी वोकैबुलरी एनरिच होते हुए जाती थी. अच्छा ये भी गाली होती है. मतलब ये देखो साला ऐसे ये देखो वैसे एंड आई एम लाइक स्माइलिंग. तो उनका इस तरह का बिहेवियर था एंड वो ऐसा था डंडा रखते थे नीचे निकालते अगर फालतू बोला भाई
सब रखते हैं हमारी गाड़ी में.
आगे
Baseball bat.
जरूरत पड़ जाए.
तो मैंने उन्हें बताया. एक दिन मैंने बोल दिया. एक दिन मैंने बोला सर अंडा नहीं खाना चाहिए. मैं भले खुद खाता हूँ सब. सर ने उस दिन से नॉनवेज छोड़ दिया. फिर लाइक शायद तुमने बोला नहीं करूँगा. मैं कहा सर योगा. हाँ
जितना सुनते हैं.
नहीं सुनते. आई एम वेरी डिवोटेड टू हिम. सो मतलब वो अलग मूड में प्लेफुल रहते हैं मेरे साथ. ठीक है. तो फिर मैंने बोला सर मेडिटेशन करना चाहिए योगा ईशा क्रिया स्टार्ट करो. अगले दिन से ईशा क्रिया चालू है. सर योग नमस्कार भी करना चाहिए. योग नमस्कार चालू. टिल नाउ ही डज इट एंड इन 3-4 मंथ्स ही इज़ कम्प्लीटली चेंज. उन्हें थोड़ा डायबिटीज़ का दिक्कत हो गया था. उन्होंने बोला अच्छा शायद बताओ क्या करना चाहिए. मैं कहा सर ऐसे सुबह शाम दोनों टाइम से आता हूँ. वी वॉज लाइक फैट एंड जब लॉकडाउन हो रहा लास्ट टाइम वो गाँव गए मेरे को फोटो भेजी लाइक दिस. मैं कहा ओ भाई साहब क्या आंसर यू आर इतने बिल्कुल स्लिम टू फोटो दिखाऊंगा ना यू विल बी इम्प्रेस. भाई क्या बनता है ये. उसके बाद आए उनका सब डायबिटीज़ सब सही हो गया एंड अब जब वो गाड़ी में जाते हैं इज़ कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट. मतलब कि ही नोज ही इज एट पीस एटलीस्ट. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है लोगों उनके साथ. तो मैंने उनको कैसे बताया, मैंने कॉल किया, हेलो सर एक बात कहनी है. कहते हाँ शाश्वत बोलो, सर आपको अच्छी नहीं लगेगी. इतनी नहीं बताओ सर, आप बुरा तो नहीं मानोगे. हमें बताना. फिर बताया कि सर अच्छा मैं ना आश्रम जा रहा हूँ. कहते ओके, अरे अच्छा. उन्होंने पहले से कुछ चीज़ें प्लान कर रखी थी. अरे शाश्वत पहले बता देता सर मैं 7 बजे के लिए जा रहा हूँ. अच्छा वो क्या है. फिर मैंने ना उन्हें बोलने नहीं दिया. एक लाइन में मैंने अराउंड मैं 30 सेकंड तक बोला. उन्हें बोलने नहीं बोला. अच्छा ठीक है मैंने बहुत चलता है, बहुत सही काम कर रहे हो, लेकिन थोड़ा पहले बताना था ना. मैं कहा अरे सर अभी नहीं जा रहा, मैं बाद में जा रहा हूँ. इतनी तारीख को जा रहा हूँ. अच्छा ओके फिर ठीक है जाओ, बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हो, तुम्हारे को वो लाइफ में वो करेगा. सो मतलब कि जहाँ मेरे को लगता है सबसे टफ होगा, एवरीथिंग हैपेंड लाइक दिस. एंड इवन आई डिड नॉट वांटेड टू, मतलब ऐसे नहीं मैं बहुत पहले से प्लान करता साधना बता. नहीं. एक दिन वीडियो देखी एंड जस्ट रजिस्टर्ड फॉर इट एंड एवरीथिंग जस्ट फेल इन प्लेस. मेरा ये भी नहीं था कि अच्छा आज प्लान करूँगा. जस्ट फ़ोन देखा, अरे हाँ सर ये दिक्कत हो गई, ये करना है, ऐसे करना है, जाऊँ क्या. कहते हाँ बेटा जाओ. बहुत सिंपल, बहुत मतलब मज़ा ही आ गया. क्या ही बोलूँ मैं.
Vaishakh, you have to agree, he speaks more than me, huh?
हाँ बिकॉज आई ईट मोर देन.
On that night, he was telling us a story about the 7th hill, and he said, my fellow was very talkative. And I was thinking, like, you got a match.
एग्जैक्टली वो मेरे से ज़्यादा वीडियो थे. एंड वो इंग्लिश में बोल रहे थे. तो अच्छा है कि मेरे को एक मौका मिल गया कि अपनी इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग थोड़ी सही कर लूँगा. ग्रामर अब सही हो जाएगी. मैं भी हाँ जी ऐसे भी ऐसे, हाँ ऐसे. तो मस्त बिल्कुल कंपेनियन मिल गया था.
Generally, after learning in a workshop, you have to do the Hatha Yoga practice on your own. But in my case, I'm offering daily classes. So you can come to the studio and do guided sessions with me. So it's on a monthly basis. And you can continue doing it.
Oh, right. So it's a good support, like if anyone...
Yes. Because, I mean, in my own experience before becoming Hatha Yoga teacher, I was on the other side. So I learned the practice, I didn't do it. So I know it firsthand. Because, you know, let's say for example Surya Kriya, if you learn in 2 or 3 days, you get most of it, but not the complete part. So if you happen to be one of those, then these kind of sessions are really supportive. And also when you start doing the practice, you don't really know what mistakes you're making because your eyes are closed.
Yeah, right. That is very true.
So that's when someone like me, who's a Hatha Yoga teacher, is helpful. So I'm looking around at the people when they are doing their practice, and after every session I give them feedback. So over a period of time, let's say in a mandala or so, their quality of practice increases. And that's when, you know, what Sadhguru calls it Hatha bliss.
Hatha bliss.
Hatha bliss, you can experience that. Otherwise, I've seen people doing like Hatha Yoga practices for 5 years, 6 years, and then they just do it mechanically. But under guidance, within 2 weeks, the experience can change.
Awesome. So for Hatha bliss, contact Dilbag Anna.
Promotion.
चैट नहीं करते उसमें.
नहीं.
डालो.
ये भी. You're not supposed to chant it actually.
हाँ.
Chant
Nammam
it.
chant. Nammam chant.
पर हो जाता है कभी कभी.
मन में अपने आप चल जाता है वो
मन
ऐसा.
में
जब
it's
अचल
okay,
अर्पण हम
but
कर रहे होते हैं ना, मन में चलता
basically
रहता है.
concept जो है it is chakra.
हाँ.
क्योंकि गलत प्रोनाउंसिएशन पे इट्स नेगेटिव इफेक्ट होता है.
प्रोनाउंसिएशन ही उसको ना पर्टिकुलर तरीके
नेगेटिव
से
भी होता है, मतलब और बहुत कुछ हो सकता है दैट यू आर नॉट
अवेयर ऑफ.
या
हाँ भी किसी
थिंग्स दैट यू नॉट अवेयर
फास्ट फॉरवर्ड में गलती से.
यू आर नॉट
अरे
एबल
fast
टू हैंडल.
forward.
हाँ ये बढ़िया. अरे एक सेकंड.
तो गिफ्ट भी आ गया.
प्रैंक करेंगे.
Okay, I'm starting.
Started?
It started already.
एक मिनट हाँ.
Let her give it to you.
अयो हैप्पी बर्थडे. चाकू ले आती है अगर.
Unboxing, guys. Like, what is this?
बर्थडे के
Unboxing expert, huh?
Your name is also there.
Wait, there is a letter in it.
अरे oh my god.
Oh.
Open me, baby.
Oh, letter is telling.
Wait, let me zoom.
The envelope is saying.
Nice.
Oh, Meow yoga.
Yay! Wow.
What is this?
Water bottle. Thermal water.
Water
हाँ, हाँ, हाँ.
लोगों लगा कोई चाहिए
So nice.
ऊपर टेम्परेचर दिखता है कैट के ऊपर Yeah,
बैटरी
ऊपर
बैटरी से
अन्ना ने खरीदा हुआ है इसलिए अन्ना ऑलरेडी बैग दिखा रहा है
नाइस शो टू द कैमरा ना
He will explain the process.
ही इज मियाओ योगा टीचर
So what is this, Anna?
He keeps reminding me that I used to always say meow 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 a lot, okay? So I did meow yoga.
अब हम सबको बोलेंगे वैसे होने का बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट किया आज का
बहुत complicated gift है.
Another prank.
Technical knowledge is needed.
Where is the cake?
He knows what is meow. Meow yoga I have explained in the letter.
So nice, yeah.
No, meow.
So wait,
China,
can I read this letter?
You have to.
Okay, show this to the camera.
Temperature.
Where's the
So guys,
temperature?
this is the bottle that if you put, I think you can put tea and all in it, no?
tea, yeah. 12
Whatever
घंटे
you put
रहता
in
है 12 hours it will stay hot or cold.
But Anna, not because it's
Now
a
you start again.
No, I am continuing. Because it's a custom among
It's
Isha
not.
meditators.
मैं
it's
खुद
not.
कर दूंगी.
It's not. But because I've always felt a connection with you ever since we virtually met. Even though we are very different personalities, you have always held a special place in my life and my priorities. So thank you for all the Runanubandha.
Yeah, I have a lot of Runanubandha.
And I know sometimes I can be too childish and blurt out meow. Blurt out meow now. Tell. Huh?
Meow.
In the middle of a serious conversation. Thank you for constantly reminding me and embarrassing me with that info. So here's a personalized gift for you with engraved meow, so that it will help you attain meow yoga like me.
I'll
Meow.
explain what is meow yoga in the bottle.
So now we'll go into the definition of meow yoga. It's actually written like a dictionary. So it's pronounced meow yoga.
Yeah.
Meow yoga is a concept for many, but a living reality for me, where your inner cat, the independent personality within you, attains union yoga with the source of creation.
अच्छा इधर भी नाड़ी के बाजू में
That's my favorite actually.
So now last part. And hey, I'm bad at expressing, but I have to tell you, me, my sister and Pujita are super proud of you. The way you have grown as a person is really inspiring. I'm very biased and judgmental, and I have to tell you, you are one of the most genuine Isha meditators we have ever known. Just our random opinion, but not that it matters.
लास्ट पैराग्राफ
That's the last part.
बहुत बढ़िया
दिल से आया है.
ऐश्वर्या से इतनी खुशी अनदर उन्होंने बंदा
Now we got a bottle. We didn't have a bottle to take to Jaipur.
आपने प्रिंट कैसे करवाया आपने
मैंने वो करवाया कस्टमाइज्ड है.
हो जाती है
Lady bottle.
I thought
Yes.
ईशा का कुछ करूँ.
उसमें ट्रायंगल और
Then yeah, I could have done it. But इतना वो कस्टमाइज नहीं करा देता और ये 2 दिन में मुझे चाहिए था ना. Because मुझे ये तो 2 दिन पहले पता था ना कि मैं.
हमें तो पहले पता
अन्ना को थोड़ा पहले बता रहा था
वेले बैठे थे उठ के आ गए
एग्जैक्टली मतलब मैंने अपना वेला पेन पूरा सेट किया कल सर को बोला सर प्लीज दोपहर को शाम को सेशन हो जाएगा कहते हाँ
वेले बने हैं
वेले
पहले
बने हैं ऐसे नहीं कि पूरी
Conscious
वेले
करना।
एग्जैक्टली कॉन्शियसली वेले हम
साथ एक
This is the
राखी
first
था.
boxing. Oh, Ragi is there?
लेकिन नहीं राखी था. वो अम्मी ने मिनियन राखी ऑर्डर किया था. बहुत अच्छा था. वो आउट ऑफ स्टॉक चला गया.
Okay.
जो उन्होंने राखी भेजा वो अच्छा नहीं था.
अच्छा.
That was like drop it.
Should have brought it.
मिलियन राखी
When she stops taking video, I will tell you. Okay.
Okay, stop.
नहीं.
ऐसे क्लिक करने पे तो नहीं होता What is this?
That is home water.
ये कहाँ पे कौन सी नदी है
ये
आपका तो बताया ऐसे जैसे कि
नहीं ये कल परसों गुड़गांव में बारिश हुई थी ना बरसाती पानी इकट्ठा हो रखा है
बाहर नदी बहती है. मुझे जब पता चला आप आ रहे हो, ये रिकॉर्ड करना. हाँ, जूम करके. मुझे जब पता चला आप आ रहे हो, मैंने घर के बाजू की नदी से पर्सनली लेके आई ताकि आपके लिए.
अरे लेकिन अन्ना पी
जब
गया
मैंने
यार।
जब मेरे बात काटोगे तब
अन्ना
आपको
मेरे को
दूंगी.
लाओ
अब तो वो पवित्र बन गया बिकॉज अन्ना ने
बिकॉज अन्ना ने पी लिया
ये नहीं पवित्र बन गया पवित्रा ने लिया था
ये भी ठीक है
But I didn't
Story.
say- I didn't forget till now.
अरे
डेली भी कंटेंट now is the time डेली भी हिट होगा वायरल होगा
अरे यार ये
Sorry guys, we couldn't take the wind up today, but we have one more winder up with us. We just dropped the
Very silent girl.
Very silent girl. But it was awesome to have everyone here. It was so heartwarming.
Oh yes.
Like, definitely, right? What about you, Nitin? And how did you feel like meeting
It's
everyone?
fantastic. I've been in Delhi throughout and haven't met all the people that I met today, no?
Yeah.
So it took you to come from Kerala to meet everybody. It was amazing, the conversations. And we spent how much an hour?
I don't know. I thought we would end up by 12:01,
Even
but
I thought the
we
same.
took
Yeah.
4:30. It took like
What?
conversations went deep, deep. Satark raho sab.
But
Yeah.
we sat for a good 4-5 hours.
4-5 hours easily.
And for a moment also, at least I didn't feel that.
The beauty of it is like everyone is so comfortable opening up. Like I would like to say, Pavitra, it's a safe space.
Yes,
Such a
that's
safe-
what I felt actually.
Now it is unsafe with both of us. That is what she's feeling. There it was safe. Now these
No, it
guys
was like,
unsafe.
Very safe place, and more than safe place, like I felt very, to put in simple words, I felt so comfortable. Like I thought I'll be very silent, but I ended up by mistakes talking. Like, yeah, it was very comfortable. It was like I knew everybody,
She and
from
Shashwat
so
Anna.
many days.
She and Shashwat
Yeah,
Anna.
especially Shashwat Anna. Okay, I was like talking 20%, everybody 2%, Shashwat Anna 80%. So yeah,
Oh, we have to take a U-turn. Huh?
Anna ho gaya.
What ho gaya? Hey Smita, thanks for donation.
Yeah, thanks for the donation. 10,000 rupees.
Head north, then turn right.
Google Maps is safe for me. Nitin Anna has a song for you.
This is Hope's wagon, Anna.
That song you sung in that place. What was that song?
What was it?
He sung a song then. നമ്മൾ പാടിയ പാട്ട് ഏതായിരുന്നു?
जाने मेरी जाने मन बचपन का प्यार मेरा भूल नहीं जाना रे जाने मेरा जाने मन बचपन का प्यार मेरा भूल नहीं जाना रे जैसा मेरा प्यार है प्यार तुझे किया है बचपन का प्यार मेरा भूल नहीं जाना रे sorry I'm so sorry
I love that. I'm sorry.
Why Smita? Beautiful sunrise. Ah, sunset.
Completely busted things here. But the beauty in real, and every 10% volume it's not coming.
The camera, right?
And in the camera, yes. So that kind of makes me wonder also the capability that we have. In the back, Oh, they are.
Okay guys, we stopped for a break. So we found this Hotel Highway King. A lot of people have stopped over here, so I think it's a very nice place. You have Joki. Joki is not to eat. Subway is there. Subway is the only thing, and then I think this is the main hotel. So we just go in and see. Looks to be a nice place. And I can also do my shoot here. It's a very neat place. They are actually cleaning it properly. So definitely if you are going on the way, you can stop at this place and you can even buy stuff and everything. Welcome to Tapesh Mahal, guys.
Finally, you have reached the Himalayas.
Himalaya. कनिका का this is अपने यार देखो तो.
You know, Jaipur is far better than any other place. I'll show you.
Tell, yes, we'll show you better than Chilelu.